Today, we talk about...
Hey, you know what time it is?
What are those? Oh gosh.
Yeah, Futurecraft 4D, made for Germany. Made in the, was it made in the Speed Factory? I don't know, actually. But this was the first ever colorway of the 4D sneakers by Adidas. As you can see from the midsole, all 4D laced. Bruh, this foot has been killing me all day. Oh my Lord, I gotta take these off for real. Oh, Lord have mercy, I thought hurricane season was over. Oof, what a gorgeous look at you. That's first and foremost. Love the subtle stripe edge, bop, bop, bop. And the crystal lattice of the 4D-ish is pretty nice, I gotta say. Sole's holding up pretty good after one day's wear, but man, let me frickin' tell you. Ventilation not too bad, but man, they only made these up to a size 11. And, bruh, typical Ultra Boost, I'm like at least an 11 and a half, sometimes even a 12, and mostly with the insoles out. Wait, what? Wow, no wonder. What? I was about to frickin' say, is this, oh my God. Wow, did I just, what? Wait a minute. Where the hell is the insole for this thing? What? I just know, I was wondering why this shoe was so much more comfortable than this all day. Bruh, you gotta be kidding me. Where the hell is this insole? What? Where'd it go? What? Bruh, this ain't even clickbait though. I'm legit just noticing now that there's no freaking insole for this. Is that for real? What? I don't even remember taking it out. Unless, oh man, I am so confused right now. Shiz. I'll have to check my closet. Hopefully it's in there. God dang it. But I mean, holy load. I'm definitely going to have to take this one out too. But yikes, man. Just freaking yikes. I mean, it definitely was necessary to make it comfortable because at least this was somewhat wearable. I mean, I had circulation cut off from wearing this ish. I mean, Lord have mercy. Especially this region right here, there's like almost like a band underneath that like was really constricting my ish. And it really hurt. And my big toe was like falling asleep over here, just lack of circumambulation, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, at least you get an idea of the insole. But wow, I can't believe I just noticed this one has no insole in it. I feel like maybe I did take it out at one point just to try it on, but god damn, why would I put it back in? And why would I only put back one? Ugh, I don't know what the hell's going on right now. But anyway, there you go. Mini review. But yeah, I don't know why they only made these up to a size 11. I'm typically, like I said, 11 and a half, sometimes 12 in Ultra Boost with the insoles out. Boom, no wonder this is more comfortable. But yeah, for whatever reason, this original colorway, they did not do bigger sizes. So sometimes it's such a blessing to know that I'm not a size 12, 13, because some shoes just legit don't come in that size, and or it's just like balls expensive for them issues. So kind of nice. So yeah, hey, yo. Now the 4D lattice-ish is kind of interesting, the technology and how they do it. And I'm not going to go through that whole process. A, because I don't even remember all that ish. B, it's complicated AF. And C, yeah, I mean, just from what I remember, it's almost like it's a crystal liquid thing, and it's dipped. And then as the sole is taken out of the liquid, it's like laser etched to make this lattice pattern. So pretty cool. But yeah, there's like countless articles and videos on it if you guys want more information on the 4D-ish. They're making more and more 4D sneakers. Some of them look really good. But I mean, I'm just like not blown away enough to buy like countless numbers of them. I just wanted to have the first one, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, there you go. Finally wore them. And, you know, I can't reliably give you the comfort on these because, you know, again, they're not ideally my size. But I mean, this at least was wearable even at 11. My quote true size for most Nikes anyway, but it is what it is. Classic 1.0 Ultra Boost pattern for the upper at least. So, hey, yo. But yeah, man. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next time. We out. Peace.